Hey, what's going on, guys? So, quick update on the YJ. I know I've been a little MIA. It's been a long year, as most of you know, with the beer bug going around. So, finally getting around. Wife and I bought a new house, and that took all our money. So now we finally have the money to get good old Brody back on the road and take him home to the new home. So, quick little update on what happened was last June, we decided to go ahead and do the suspension and get it all sorted out. I also ended up picking up a set of axles from a 2.5, and I refurbished them and put them in so we get the better gear in, since we are on 33s. Now, I do have the 4.0 for anyone who didn't know. So with the 2.5, you actually get the higher gear in, which is better for 33s. I'm not doing anything extreme, so I didn't feel the need nor the expense to go and re-gear the whole thing. So I broke completely even on these axles. I sold off the old ones, didn't do anything to them. These ones, even with all the work I did, rebuilt the brakes, new fluid, new seals and everything, broke even on it. So that's a great deal. And then we went ahead and, let's see if I can get in here. I can't. But we went ahead and we did brand new Rubicon Express 4-inch lift. Got that all worked out. You know, phenomenal experience with the kit. Came with everything we needed. We even shimmed up the rear axle with the shims from the kit, and it still didn't get the driveline angle where it needed to be. So ended up sending got a Tom Woods custom drive shaft made, got a slip yoke eliminator, which I should have done for the first place, plus all the other goodies. So now I'm actually sending him off. We have a tow truck coming in about 20 minutes. Gonna take this to Liquid Iron Industries in Berlin, New Jersey, where he will get the slip yoke installed, the new drive shaft installed, as well as I need new spring perches welded on and rear shock mounts welded on. They're an awesome fab shop. They know Jeeps and off-road vehicles in and out, so totally trust them with this. Also, a few other things they're just gonna clean up for me on alignment. I think it's about time for a new windshield banner, so hopefully they hook me up with that. So hopefully we'll be seeing a lot more of this YJ coming this summer. So real excited. You know, I've been stuck inside for so long. Excited to get back out on the beach. Hopefully Jeep Invasion happens this year down the shore. You know, one can only hope. Real quick for you guys, I didn't do much to the exhaust since my last video. I did do a little bit of a exhaust wrap that hardened like steel, so I think I got a little leak in my last setup, but this is from inside the cab. It did kind of tone it down a little bit, and you can do you smell the fumes pretty good sometimes. But again, haven't really driven it with the new setup yet, so we'll see what it is. But here we go, a little startup for you guys. Man, I missed it. Man, oh man, did I miss it. So, you know, looking forward to making more content with this. Like I said, it's a quick little update. I'll try to snap some videos of this thing going up on the tow truck, and hopefully Liquid Iron can get this turned around in a couple days for us, hopefully by Friday, and we're back on. So thanks, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Hopefully we'll have a lot more of these videos coming along. All right, let's load it up. Off to Liquid Iron. It's in your hands now, guys.